Canals are the networks that has been in place to take the water from the dam. So the objective of the canals is to reach the farmlands. So we have this what we call as command area. So command area is defined and these canal systems are planned. So going by the dam at the starting point, we have what we call banks. We have right and left bank along the river. River is the center line. So most of the irrigation projects across the country and in Karnataka has two main canals. Those are the bank canals, what you call right bank, left bank. Few of the projects based on the topography and based on the water availability, you may also have other canals like right bank high level canal and left bank high level canals. So once you have this main canal, then they carry huge quantum of water that needs to be distributed. Then you branch out the canals. So first branch happens what we call in some places we call branch canal, where the network is vast, like Narayanpur left bank canal. But generally in other places, the main canal branches into distributary, the second level canal. And from distributary, we call it as laterals. They may be sub-distributary based on the land that irrigates. Again, sub-distributary branches into laterals to sub-laterals. Sub-laterals will have pipe outlets. Sometimes it so happens based on the design prevailing then, the distributary may have some direct pipe outlets, we call DPOs, that irrigates. The last and critical canal network is field irrigation channels. These channels takes water to the farmland.
Okay. When I first saw Canal Network in person for the first time, our team works alongside ACIWRM and the Krishna Bhagya Jal Nigam Limited. Canals are trying to do almost the exact opposite of how rivers function in a way, right? The river has collected water from the entire catchment of that river, from various streams, from the ground, everything, and has gotten it to one place. And we are now doing the reverse of it, right? To take it and distribute it to a set of farms such that those farmers get more water than just rainwater.
Yes, well pointed, Pawan. See, the dams are built to harvest water. And why we need water, why this canal system exists? Because of irrigation. And technically, irrigation is artificial application of water when there is not enough rainfall for the crop to sustain. The dams that save water, this water is taken out during non-monsoon, say when there is less rainfall. Mostly this water is taken out during the Rabi season or post-September in Karnataka context. So these waters are supplementing the rainwater so that the crops can grow.
And there will also be some supplemental irrigation even during the monsoon season, right? Because the monsoon may not be enough, or people might be growing crops that might need more water, and in dry areas, you may not be getting enough rainfall.
Yes, rightly pointed. The canal are designed in such a fashion that you apply water when there is scarcity. And if you look at the irrigation map of Karnataka or the dams in Karnataka, they are mostly in the regions where your annual rainfall is less than or about 700 mm.
And in this case, that is most of interior Karnataka, right? If you take the Western Ghats, all of Karnataka lying to the east of the Western Ghats largely falls under 700 to 1,000 millimeters, maybe roughly.
Yes.
Right. So this entire area has rivers and needs additional water to irrigate. Whether that comes from bore wells or from canals or from some source, that additional water is needed.
Yes. In Deccan Plateau, where Karnataka lies, the rivers are not perennial, as in the northern part of India. So even our streams, when it rains, they carry water. And when the rainfall subsides, there is no water in them. Virtually, few of the streams go dry during non-monsoon, and they only flow for a couple of weeks, sometimes a week. So in this context, to have food security and to support crop growth, I think canals are the main component in agriculture.